So good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so today's date is 9th of January 2021, and this is class 11, and I will teach you economics. Okay, so I'm going to ask you 4 questions. If you know the answer, then give answer in complete sentences. Okay, okay. So where are crops grown?
Crops grown on the agricultural land.
Good. Who grows crops on agricultural land?
Farmer grows crops on agricultural land.
Okay. So where do farmer live?
Farmer lives in village.
Good. What is the main occupation of people in village?
Agriculture is the main occupation of people in village.
Very good. Which economy is dependent on agriculture?
Every economy is dependent on agriculture.
Okay, students. So today we shall study about Indian economy. Okay. So tell me, what did a person get on doing a job?
A person gets money on doing a job.
Okay. So tell me, what do you mean by Indian economy?
Uh,
Okay. So student, here
Economy
is
of
the
India.
Okay, so we shall study meaning of Indian economy is here. So Indian economy is a developing economy in which agriculture is the backbone of economy. Okay, so we all know that agriculture is very main important activity in India because 82% of the economy is dependent on agriculture in India. Okay, so agriculture is very main activity in India, so that is why agriculture is a backbone of economy. Okay, the countries which are progressing and which have their potential for development are called developing economy. Okay, so the country which have the potential, it means they can do a great amount of development or growth in future days. They haven't developed yet. They are about to develop. They have the potential. These economies are called as the developing economy, like Indian economy. Okay, and opposite of Indian economy is American economy, which is developed. Okay, but India is developing economy, and so Indian economy is termed as developing economy. Okay, so tell me, what does rapid growth of population result in?
Rapid growth of population result in unemployment.
Good. Rapid growth of population result in unemployment. Okay, so tell me, what are the features of Indian economy? Okay,
Indian
so here,
economy is a mixed economy.
good. Indian economy is a mixed economy. Okay, so here are the features of Indian economy. First is dependent on agriculture. As I have told you earlier also that Indian economy is completely dependent on agriculture, and that is why agriculture is also known as the backbone of Indian economy. Okay, so that is why Indian economy is dependent on agriculture, and which this is also an important feature of Indian economy. Second is mixed economy. India is an mixed economy. We also know that. Third is price instability. Of course, what happens in Indian economy, there is a huge amount of price instability is there. Okay. And fourth is inadequate employment. Inadequate employment is, we can understand it by the unemployment situation in India. So there is an inadequate employment in Indian economy. Okay, and fifth is low per capita income. Of course, if there is unemployment, then definitely income of people will be affected, and which results in the low per capita income. Okay, so tell me, um, where are seeds and fertilizer processed?
Seeds and fertilizer are processed in factories.
Good. Seeds and fertilizer are processed in factories. Okay, so what do you use from traveling from one place to another?
Means of transportation to
Good.
travel from one place to another.
Okay. So here are the sectors of Indian economy. Okay, so there are three types of sector. First is primary sector, second is secondary sector, and third is tertiary sector. Okay, so what happens in primary sectors? In this primary sector, activities are related to agriculture. Okay, means production or extraction of raw materials. Okay, and then processed, and these activities will fall under primary sector. Second sector is secondary sector. Okay, so activities related to manufacturing, okay, will fall in this secondary sector. Okay, so manufacturing industries, okay, these will come under in the secondary sector. And the third sector is tertiary sector. Okay, so activities generating services means all the services you get, okay, whether it is your mobile services, computer services, and all the telecom services you get, these will fall under tertiary sector. Okay, so one give negative feature of economy of India.
Rapid growth of population is one of negative feature of India.
Good. So tell me, what are the challenges of Indian economy or problems of Indian economy?
Problem unemployment.
Good. Okay, so here are some challenges of Indian economy. Here are some challenges, or you can say problems of Indian economy. First is overpopulation. Of course, we know that India is second largest populated country in the world. Okay, so overpopulation is one of the biggest problem in India, and it is not new problem. It's been from years. Overpopulation has been a problem for economy of India. Second is unemployment. Of course, here so many people are there to so providing all of them to employ is one of the greatest problem of any for of Indian economy. Okay. Third is corruption. Corruption is also one of the important and very serious problem of Indian economy, because without dealing with corruption, we cannot make India a developed economy. Okay, and fourth is low per capita income. Of course, if there are people who are unemployed, then definitely their income will affect the per capita income. So that is why these were the four very serious challenges of Indian economy, and government should think upon them. Okay, so what is the position of Indian economy by national GDP?
What is the position of Indian economy by national GDP? India ranks 11th largest in the
World
world
by
by national GDP. National
good.
GDP.
Okay, so what is one feature of Indian economy?
Indian economy is a mixed economy.
Good. Name the sectors of economy.
Primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector.
Good. Give one example of tertiary sector.
Banking and transportation are
Banking
the example
services.
of tertiary sector.
Yes, banking services and um,
Tertiary.
will fall under tertiary sector. Okay. So, what are any one challenges of Indian economy?
Unemployment.
Yes.
Unemployment is one of the challenges of Indian economy.
Yes, unemployment is one of the serious challenges of Indian economy. Okay, so here are some sentences, and a gap is there, and you have to tell the suitable word which will fall under these gaps. Okay, so dash is the backbone of Indian economy.
Agriculture is the backbone of Indian economy.
Good, agriculture is the backbone of Indian economy. Okay, so Indian economy is dash economy.
Indian economy is mixed economy.
Good. Okay, so there are dash sectors of Indian of economy.
There are three sectors of economy.
Okay. So banking services is an example of which sector?
Tertiary sector. Tertiary
Okay.
sector.
Fishing is an example of that sector.
Secondary sector.
Okay. Fishing is an example of primary sector. Okay. Because in which fishes we extract from, we take fishes from ponds which are natural resources. Okay. So here is your homework. Write down the meaning of Indian economy. Okay. And second is write down examples of all three sectors. Okay. So thank you,
Okay.
students.
Thank you, ma'am.